Look who's here filming with me. Hey everyone, thanks for watching. In today's video, I will be showing y'all some Dollar Tree party decoration ideas. So we are throwing a couple shower for my dad and his fiance. I was put in charge of the decorations, so of course I had to go to the Dollar Tree to get all of my supplies. The theme of the party is going to be lots of candles, lemons, some greenery like rosemary. It's good to kind of get some photo inspiration. That way it's not as overwhelming when you go shopping. You know exactly what you're looking for and in what colors. So now we're just going to jump right into the video. The first thing I got are these tall vases. So I am planning to fill these up with lemons. That way it can add a little pop of color on the tables. Also, they do sell artificial lemons at the Dollar Tree. So if you did want to get them from there, you can. But they are $1 a piece, whereas you can get a pack of lemons from Sam's or the grocery store for a lot cheaper. Next up, I got these 3 different size tea light candle holders. The vibe that I'm going for is different heights of candles. So I did just want to get all different size glassware to add all of my candles and lemons and rosemary to. They do also sell tea light candles at the Dollar Tree as well. It does come in a pack of 16 and they do come in different colors. Next up, I got this medium size candle holder. They sell these pillar candles as well at the Dollar Tree in different colors, so that fit perfectly inside. And then for another medium-sized candle holder, they do have these really pretty slanted candle holders. I thought it would be perfect to use the votive candles that they sell at the Dollar Tree. These do come in a pack of 4, which fits perfectly in this candle holder. Or you can even use the tea light candles, which would be really small inside the candle holder, but they do also sell vase fillers at the Dollar Tree. So if you were interested in getting some gems or rocks or sand or moss or anything like that, and then put your candle right on top and it would look really nice. To add some height to the tables, I got some of these glass bottles and they just come with a little cork inside, but as you can see, I went ahead and added a candle inside. So this is going to be my tallest size candles on the table. I really love how the look of the bottle looks, and then I'm going to fill it up with water and rosemary. As far as the candlestick goes, they do sell 2 packs of these tall tapered candles, so I got the pack of the tall ones. And then at the checkout, I saw these emergency candles, and they're basically the exact same as the candlesticks. They're just about half the size, so I felt like that was perfect to add different size candles to my bottle. So I'm just gonna get a bunch of these bottles. They only had 1 left when I went, so I'm gonna go back, get a bunch of these bottles, and then just fill them with the 2 different size candles, just so that it adds different heights. And now for the smallest size candles, I got 4 packs of these small tea light candle holders. It's a really good deal to get 4 candle holders for $1. I thought that was awesome. They're also made out of a really thick glass material. Next up, for some final touches, I got a few packs of their ribbons. They have all different sizes and colors of ribbons. I just got this really light gray sheer ribbon, and I'm going to wrap them around the pillar candles with some type of greenery. I also got some of these square mirrored candle holders. I'm just planning to use these as little fillers. If we have some empty spaces at the party that need some decoration, I figured I can add these with some candles on top and it would be perfect for a small filler decoration. I did also see a section at the Dollar Tree of rose gold office supplies, so I thought that was perfect. The wedding is going to be rose gold themed, so I thought this would be nice to hang little pictures up on a bulletin board or something like that. They also have paper clips and binder clips as well. Also keep in mind, the Dollar Tree does carry lots of party supplies. They have lots of paper supplies like plates, cups, utensils, things like that. They also have lots of serving trays, bowls, and utensils. They do carry the fuel to keep your food hot. They also have balloons, artificial flowers, frames, so you can frame some pictures or even the invitation. So definitely check there before you go anywhere else for your party supplies, because it is a really good deal. Now I just wanted to show y'all a party favor idea since we are going with the Mediterranean theme. I saw this really cute idea on Pinterest to get the mini olive oil bottles, and then they also had a pack of the thank you tags on Amazon, so it comes with the tags and the twine. We're gonna fill them up with olive oil, some rosemary, I like party favors that people can actually use, so I thought that would be perfect to have infused oil, and it also goes perfectly with our theme. So if you have any Dollar Tree decoration ideas of your own, definitely leave them down below so everyone can see your ideas as well. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you're not already, and I'll see y'all in my next video. Bye guys. Today is Armani's birthday. He's 5 years old. I will have to show y'all pictures of how he looked when we first got him. He was a little tiny baby who fit in my hand. It's so weird that he's already 5.